How to fix Clair Obscur Expedition 33 crashing at cutscene on PC. 8. Update GPU drivers. Cutscene crashes often happen due to outdated or unstable graphics drivers. NVIDIA download latest. AMD download latest. Intel download. Do. Verify game files. Corrupt or missing files can crash the game during cutscenes. Steam. Right-click the game properties, installed files, verify integrity of game files. Epic Games. Library clicked. Next to the game, manage verify files. 10. Turn off overlays. In-game overlays, Steam, Xbox Game Bar, Discord, NVIDIA Shadowplay, can conflict with cutscene rendering. Disable Steam overlay. Steam settings in-game, uncheck enable Steam overlay. Disable Xbox Game Bar. Settings gaming Xbox Game Bar turn off. Disable Discord overlay. Discord user settings game overlay toggle off. 4. Switch to windowed or borderless mode. Some cutscenes crash in full screen mode. Change graphics settings in-game or via config file to windowed or borderless window. 5. Lower graphics settings, especially shadows, post-processing, and anti-aliasing. Go to settings, lower graphics to medium or low. Restart game before retrying the cutscene. 6. Disable VSync beta motion blur. These effects can trigger crashes in some engines. Try disabling them from graphics settings. 7. Set graphics API if available. If the game supports DirectX 11/12 or Vulkan, test both APIs. Some crashes only occur on one. 8. Update Windows plus Visual C++ redistributables. Run Windows Update. Install Repair Visual C++ 2015 to 2022 redistributables from Microsoft. Download here. No. Turn off antivirus or add game to exceptions. Aggressive antivirus firewall can block cutscene loading files. Temporarily disable or whitelist the game folder in Windows Defender. 10 RD, Party Antivirus, Avast, Norton, etc. Thus, run as administrator. Right-click on the game shortcut or X properties compatibility check. Run this program as an administrator. 11. Use compatibility mode. Same menu, set compatibility to Windows 8 or Windows 7, especially for older PCs or Win 11 issues. 12. Reinstall the game. If nothing works, a clean reinstall might fix corrupted data that verification didn't catch. Bonus, check crash logs or event viewer. Look for logs inside documents, My Games, Clair Obscur Expedition 33 logs or similar. Windows Event Viewer, Windows Logs application. Look for related crash reports.